Algorand Testnet tutorial. Look how cool it is. Welcome to Folks Finance Testnet. This is what we're doing today. This is a trial version of Folks Finance running on Algorand Testnet. Used to try features, find bugs, interact with the app. Testnet have no monetary value until it goes on mainnet, and then hopefully we will get an airdrop. My name is Ziv, also known as Finance After 40. All the links below, including Patreon, that you can put 10 bucks of your money and basically support this channel. So let's effing go. Join the community, give us a feedback if you want. Active users, pay attention, will be rewarded with our official Folksy Guys NFT collection, and by reporting unknown bugs you can earn Algo rewards. So we're gonna get an NFT. This how much will be the NFT worth? Anywhere between 0 and $1 million, and anything in between. It's gonna take a couple of minutes of our time. Click a few buttons. Let's effing go. So we are doing this one. Look at this nice logo. You know, I like it. Another comp. I don't know if it's a fork, but it's a comp. Same thing. Borrow land. Hi, new user. I'm Foxy Guy, official guide to the protocol. On the following pages, I will help you learn everything you need on our dApp. So basically, you need to set up. You need a Algo wallet, Algorand wallet. My Algo. I will link a tutorial below how to set it up if you're not familiar with all this. Basically, you need there we go, my Algo wallet. Then we're gonna do a little deposit. Then we're gonna do a withdraw. We're gonna borrow, health factor, just like Avid. They're just like compound, rebalance, repay, done, and done. So read all of this. Let's effing go. So this is the app. Basically, it's pretty simple. Borrow, Let's see. This is the wallet. Okay. Let's move my face a little so you can see what's going on. Look at this testnet version. You're using the testnet version. This is cool. So step one, you need to deposit some money. How do you do that? You go to the home page, markets right here. Click on your dashboards. Look at the marketplace. This is pretty cool. I'm gonna tell you, the more applications that we do, it's not just about the airdrop. The more project you find and you say, you know what, this is cool, this could be big, I'm gonna, I don't know, put some money on it once it goes live, if I don't get any airdrop. And even if I do, I might drop some money on it, because you know what, if I discover this on a testnet before the coin is even live, people, and it's cool, people, retail people will probably discover this at Bitcoin 70,000 because it's cool, nothing changed. And by that time, the price will probably skyrocket. So, if this is what you like, let's go to the dashboard. That's what we got. Board deposit. How do we start? We start by depositing. How do you deposit? You need to take some Faucet money. Where is the Faucet? Right here. Go to the Faucet. Okay. I've tried it. I am no robot. Let's find some boats. Okay. You want me to find some boats? There we go. Found boats. Request. What am I requesting? Okay, let's move my face right here. That's better. I'm requesting. Let's do a little bit of USDC is fine, even though I already done that. Click request. Before you do it, just so you know, if you do it for the first time, it's gonna ask you to opt in. Basically, a lot of people got scared when we did the Algomint bridge to get some free Algo. Opt-in basically says go to your wallet, Algorand wallet, and just put your password so you approve the transaction. So that's it. That is it. Opt-in, request some USDC. So someone says that I said too much, so I can't control it. I can't control it because I'm excited about pump. Yep, not pump and dump, just pump and pump. Anyway, this was said finish. Just so you know, let me show you the opt-in. I haven't done USDT, so let's click I'm no robot. All the bicycles. Okay, let me show you how basically how it works. Traffic light. Okay, come on. Stairs. I don't want to pause the video because Google is Google. There we go. Let's request USDT. Now I need to opt in. So you're gonna click opt in. It's gonna open your My Algo wallet right here, and you just sign your passport, and you click sign, and that's it. Into your testnet. In your My Algo, you got mainnet, testnet, and beta, devnet, whatever it's called. Change to testnet, and there we go. We just opt in, and now you need to click request. So that's the second thing. Okay, we've done that. So it's pretty cool. I like Algorand. Don't get me wrong. I'm just like 90% bullish on Cosmos, not just osmosis. Cosmos ecosystem finished. Success. You successfully received 10 USDT. That's pretty cheap. So we got ourselves 10. Now you're gonna deposit that. Okay, you're gonna deposit and you're gonna borrow against that. What I'm gonna deposit, this one, the USDT that we just got. How much? Let's do, I don't know, 75%. Click continue. Opt in to the deposit. Okay, do I need to opt in for this as well? Probably. It's pretty secure. It's kind of annoying, but this what it is. They ask you to sign your wallet like 50 times during this, but it is what it is. We're gonna get a cool NFT, and hopefully it will be worth $50,000. Comment below if you think this is true or not. I don't think so, but it's fun. I don't know how much we get, but this is a cool project to put an eye on once it goes live. Approve again, and basically we just deposit $7.50. They were cheap on the Faucet, so I doubt they will be very big on the airdrop. But it is what it is. $7.50. Click done. I might be surprised. I don't know. Not a lot of people are talking about this specific one. And now that we deposit, you see my balance is right here. My deposit information. My deposit's right here. USDT Tether. And I did a little Go Bitcoin. Okay, from the Faucet as well. And now you're gonna go to borrow. Okay. And in the borrow, against my Tether, I'm gonna borrow a little Algorand. So let's borrow against my $10. Let's say I wanna collateral amount. So we're gonna use the Tether. We deposit 750. So let's put 100% as collateral. And against that, we're gonna borrow. Let's say how much can I borrow? Medium risk. Okay. So let's do 75%. So I can borrow. Health factor 157. It's green, just like Aave. Click continue. It's going into opt-in escrow again. It is what it is. It's kind of tedious with all those passwords. I can't control the protocol. All I can do is click a few buttons and buy the effing dip. What are you doing? Click borrow. So I put my collateral, and against that I borrow like 75% Algo, which is pretty cool. Put your code again. You see why this is annoying, but it's super secure. It's pretty fast. Okay. We got a couple of steps to go. Success. So now we borrowed almost 4 Algo, which is pretty cool. And then you can basically put your Algo that you just borrow in the deposit and do an infinite money glitch and borrow against that. And that's how you do with Aave. Basically, the rates are super low. You're gonna make 2.1% or pay. I don't know. Staking says coming soon. Reward aggregator, I don't know what it is, also coming soon. But now you're gonna do 2 more steps. You're gonna go to the borrow tab, and remember that we borrow this one. So you're gonna click. Basically, let me see what we're doing. Remember, not borrow. Go to the deposit. Go to the deposit. Yeah, you can read the instruction. Go to the deposit, and we have our basically this one. You're gonna withdraw just a little bit in order to withdraw. Let me make sure everything is. We need to do 2 more steps, and I think I know everything, but I don't. So you go back to the guide, and you gotta do rebalance, then repay. So rebalance is right here. Rebalance health factor. Where are we going? Add collateral. We need to reduce collateral so users can rebalance. Go to my borrow section on the right side. Got it. So basically you're gonna go here. That's my deposit. Where's my borrow? on the right side. Okay, let's get it. So you need to play around with this to understand the platform as a whole. You're gonna click borrow again, and in my borrow now on the right side, I borrowed those two. So let's pay a little bit back from what we borrow. We need to do two things. Click on rebalance, and I don't need to add collateral. Let's reduce a little bit of the collateral of the FUSDC. Let's reduce about 50%, and you see that my health factor goes down from 157 to 137. I'm gonna reduce the collateral. That's fine. And then I'm gonna repay a little bit. Put your address again. Use the guide. It's pretty good. It's don't do anything blindly. It is what it is. You know, I like Atom Cosmos, Atom ecosystem. Let's effing go. Success. And now same thing. So go back, but this time instead of rebalance, click on repay. How much can we repay? I can do 100%. I don't need to do 100%. Let's do 50. And so I'm paying half of my Algo back, and my health factor just jumped to 2.74. Okay, which is pretty awesome, and I can borrow against that even more stables or Algo or whatever, and do whatever that I need to do on the Algorand ecosystem, which is pretty good. I'm waiting on the Algo Mint bridge that we've done last month or so. We'll see how much money are we getting from this. So far, the last Medium article that I've seen said that we are eligible for like 350 Algo live Algo per person that sent 0.01 ETH when we did the video. So if you're not following me just yet, you probably should. Click done. Anything else we need to do after rebalance, repay? No, all you need to do is follow me and join Patreon. Plus check all the links. I've updated a lot of links, trading stuff. Feel free to check them out. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.